Hey y'all, welcome back to Thrift Store Thursday. It's been a while, but as you can see, I'm in my pretty and pink with my little rose flower in my hair because I'm getting ready for Easter. So this haul that I picked up mainly has to do with Easter and then a little odds and ends. So let me show you what I went and I got. Hey y'all, welcome back to Thrift Store Thursday. This is a small haul, but let me show you what I picked up. So I went to the thrift store and I found this gorgeous pumpkin. Look at this glass pumpkin, y'all. And I paid, let's see, 99 cents. I don't think, as heavy as this pumpkin is, you're gonna find a glass pumpkin for 99 cents. I don't know what the retail value is, but if anyone has one and can tell me, you know, how much they paid for theirs, I'm just curious. I really don't do a lot of Halloween decorations, so this will be beautiful just to sit on my table, you know, between the fall months that are will be coming at the end of this year. So for 99 cents, good find. And then I came across this lovely Easter basket, and I paid 69 cents. See that? And it has a little hues of pink. You can see the pink a little bit, and then it's got like a little bit of baby blue. I may touch them up, or I may just leave it just as plain. And if I do, I'll do a little brief video and show how I transformed this basket. But it's just as fabulous, you know, leaving it, you know, like it is a blank canvas. So for 69 cents, great deal. Okay, so the next thing I came across is a 22-piece plate set, y'all. Y'all know spring is getting ready to come, summer's getting ready to come. We're getting rid of all those dark colors, and we're coming in with the pretty pastel colors, and especially white. Now, I found this table setting. Look at the detail on that. It has like the deep imprints, which actually makes it look like a charger, correct? So I got 8 of these. I just got 2 right now to show you. And they're from a company named Gibson. So if anybody knows anything about Gibson and don't mind getting down in the comments and let me know if this was a good find, I would appreciate it. And there's no chips or anything on these plates. So again, I'm just going to bring it up to the camera so you can see it. So I got 8 plates, and I'm not going to do all the lifting, but I would make sure to include a picture at the end. Then it came with 5 bowls. 5 bowls, same pattern. Name on the back, Gibson as well. These are not too heavy for the lift, so I got 5 of these. And then it came with 6 saucer plates, salad plates, dessert plates, whatever you choose to use these for. So I thought this was an excellent buy. And then it also had these lovely tea or coffee mugs. I only got 4. There was only 4 of them in the box. So the total for this 22-piece setting was $5.99 is what I paid. Can y'all believe that? $5.99 $5.99 for beautiful, just plain and simple, but very nice and elegant for your table. And you can also use these on a regular basis as well. So you're going to be seeing these a lot this summer, because I'm not buying any more dishes. I have enough. And mainly, my dishes for my tablescape this summer will be all white. So that's just, a heads up. Lastly, I found Disney Cinderella. And she was $3.99. Now, I didn't do any research prior to this filming. It did have like the bottom of it, but it fell off. But she has a stand inside, if you can see the stand. And her shoes were never taken out of the bag. You can see that. Her shoes are in there, and then there's a stand. Like I said, I don't know what year that this was manufactured. There may be a stamp on the back of her, but this is called a Classic Doll Collection from Disney. So, you know who this goes to. Truly Bear. Of course, I'm going to keep her in her box until she's old enough to, we'll play with it, or I'll do some research to see if there's any value of her, and then she's going to stay in her box if she is. And then the last item that I found, it's a doll called Birthday Wishes from Barbie Collectible. Pretty she is. She has the bang and then all the ringlet curls like Shirley Temple in the back. And then she has, I guess that's like, a gift bag, and then her beautiful dress. Okay, and then on the back it does have a little information on here saying that this was put out in 2000. So it's 20 years old, and whoever kept this one really did keep it in, remarkable condition in the box. So I'm going to do a little research on it. I had showed my mom this today, and she said that she has this doll already in her china cabinet. Why was I not surprised? But 20 years old, if I come across any information on her, if she's a little valuable, of course she will not be open. So I'm just double checking, because sometimes I overskip some stuff and then I have to add it to my next video. So as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a message down below in the comments if you have ever heard of, again, Gibson plates. And let me know if there are any value for all the vintage thrift shoppers that's here on YouTube. And if you're new to my page, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you all my old subscribers. Without y'all, I could not make this happen. I really appreciate all the support and the love and all the blessings that I've been given in my comments. Y'all just don't know how much that means to me. I thank y'all so much. Again, so if this is something that you may be interested in, viewing me on a regular basis, hit the subscribe button, hit the like, make sure to leave me a comment. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next video.